Morning, children. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and healthy at home. Children, today we will begin with a new chapter. Chapter 7, The Food We Eat. Children, I am sure these days you all must be telling your mummy to make different dishes for you. And your mummy must be busy in cooking yummy, tasty dishes for you. Right? Okay, children, let's read page number 59. Ravi has not been attending the school for the last 2 days. He came to school today. During lunchtime, Ramu, Mary, Roja came to Ravi. Roja, Ravi, why haven't you come to school for the last 2 days? Ravi, I went to Nalgonda to attend my uncle's wedding. That's why I didn't come. Mary, oh, uncle's wedding. Wow. Did it go well? Ravi, yes, it went on well. They served yummy food in morning, noon, and at night with varieties of dishes. Ram, what did you eat in the wedding? Ravi, I ate many varieties of dishes. Good. Fill in the table with what dishes Ravi might have eaten in the marriage. Morning. Idli, dosa, vada, khichdi, upma. Afternoon. Rice with sambar, mutton, chicken, curd, ice cream. Evening. Biscuits, samosa, vada, fritter, bread and jam. Night. Rice, sambar, mutton, fish, curd. Children, let's move to the next page, number 60. What kind of food do you eat at home every day? Fill in the table. Morning, dosa, idli, roti, puri. Afternoon, rice, dal curry, vegetable curry, curd. Evening, samosa, biscuit, vada, bread and jam. Night, rice, sambar, vegetable curry, curd, pickle. You wrote about the food you eat every day. Ask your friends and fill in the table about the food they eat daily. Name of the friend. I am writing here Ravi. Morning, dosa. Afternoon, rice, sambar and curd. Night, rice, vegetable curry, curd, pickle. Next, Sunil. Idli, rice, dal curry, rice, potato curry. Leta. Dosa, rice, brinjal curry, curd. Rice, night, rice, rasam, beans curry. Next, Salim. Roti, rice, egg curry. Night, rice, dal curry, cabbage fry. Next, Raju. Dosa, rice, bitter gourd curry. At night, rice, sambar and papad. Pinky. Puri, afternoon rice, dal curry, pickle. At night, rice, vegetable curry and curd. Most of them eat dosa in the morning, rice and different vegetable curries in the afternoon and at night. Children, have you ever wondered why should we eat food? Let's see. We should eat food because food gives us energy to work and play. Children, we need energy to work and to play. The food gives us energy to do our day-to-day activity, right? Second point, it helps our body to grow. Children, I am sure every day your mummy must be telling you to drink milk, right? Milk contains all the nutrients. Nutrients means the useful things that are needed by our body and helps us to grow. Third point, it helps to repair the parts of our body that are hurt or weak. Children, if we get hurt, mummy gives you healthy milk or the turmeric milk. It heals our wounds faster. It helps to repair the parts of our body that is hurt. So, children, there are such food items which help in repairing the parts of our body, right? Fourth point, it keeps us safe from diseases, right? Children, certain food items keep us safe from diseases such as green leafy vegetables, fruits, etc. So, we must include them in our diet. Okay. Text reading page number 60. Why should we eat food? Ravi woke up late. He took a bath hurriedly and rushed to school. As he was getting late, he went to school without having breakfast. How Ravi would have felt in the school? Do you know why we eat food? Every day we do many types of work. We walk, play, run, fetch water, and so on. We need energy to do all this, and for that we need food. Children, now let's see, where does our food come from? Our food comes from plants and animals. Okay. Children, I would like to ask some questions. You should answer it, right? From where do we get fruits? Yes, we get fruits from plants. Okay. From where do we get vegetables? Good. We get vegetables from plants. From where do we get cereals such as wheat, rice, corn, etc.? Yes, we get cereals from plants. Okay. From where do we get pulses such as dal, gram, etc.? Very good. We get pulses from plants. Okay. Then from where do we get milk, egg, meat, etc.? Yes, we get milk, egg, meat, etc. from animals. Text reading page number 60. Do you know where does the food we eat come from? We get vegetables and fruits from plants. Similarly, we get milk, eggs and meat from animals. Look at the pictures in the next page. Say what they are. Circle the things that come from animals. Tick the things that come from plants. Okay, children, look at the pictures in the next page. Say what they are. Circle the things that come from animals. Tick the things that comes from plants. What are the things that come from plants? What are the things that come from animals? First one is chicken. Chicken from animals. Papaya from plants. Eggs from animals. Banana from plants. Cabbage from plants. Lady's finger from plants. Apples from plants. Sorrel from plants. Cauliflower from plants. Carrots from plants. Cashew nuts from plants. Brinjals from plants. Rice from plants. Milk from animals. fish from animals. Text reading page number 62. Ravi's mother served him egg curry. Ravi asked his mother how egg curry made. His mother said that it was prepared using eggs, green chilies, oil, turmeric, onions, and tomatoes. These eggs come from hens, and chilies, turmeric, onions, tomatoes come from plants. Observe the names of the food items given below. Tick the proper places where it comes from. Observe the names of the food items given below. Tick the proper places where it comes from. Food item rice. Here it comes from both. Okay, chicken biryani from rice from plants. Chicken biryani from both. Dal from plants. Sambar from plants. Omelette from both. Bitter gourd from plants. Potato fry from plants. Ghee from animals. Cake from both. Bread from plants. Curd from animals. Milk from animals. Raita or Pergu Pachadi from both. Mango pickle from plants. Fish soup from both. Chicken kebab from both. Okay, children, let's wind up today. Shall we meet again in the next class? Be safe, be happy. Have a nice day. Thank you.